넘어지는 생각 우리.
She said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait. Already packed the bags, called a cab, made space. And she said I won't listen if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go. Never mind, it's too late. let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. But honestly, I can't remember if you love me. Or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good, no, he's great. Everything she wanted, packed behind a pretty face. But I kinda hope he breaks her heart into little pieces and let me pick them all back up, put them back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now, 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 now. What if I just wanna be with you? Oh, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Honestly, I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let it go.
우리보다 하다가 넘어진 그러니까 우리가 거기
I wonder what the hell you didn't see. Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now, 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 now.
한숨 같던 하루
풀
허기를 달래려 잠이 들